So, a pleasant morning to each and everyone again. Let us continue our lesson to the review on basic concepts of accounting. And for this day, our lesson is all about the accounting equation. And these are the different learning objectives. Number one, illustrate the accounting equation. Number two, perform operations involving simple cases with the use of accounting equation. And what is our accounting equation? Again, assets equals liabilities plus equity. So let us define the different elements based on the accounting equation. What do you mean by assets? Assets are the economic resources you control that you have resulted from past events and can provide you with economic benefits. So yun po yung pagmamayari mo. So you have the right to use that. Binili mo po yan in the past events. And from that assets, you can derive economic benefits. Liabilities are your present obligations that have resulted from past events and can require you to give up economic resources. So sa liabilities, gagamit ka po ng economic resources since that is an obligation that you need to pay. Equity is assets minus liabilities. So after you will deduct the liabilities from all your assets, then you can get equity. The expanded accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus equity plus income minus expenses. So let us define the other elements that can be seen from the expanded accounting equation. What do you mean by income? It is increases in economic benefits during the period in the form of increases in assets or decreases in liabilities that result in increases in equity excluding those related to investments by the business owner. So tatas daw po ang equity if there is an income, excluding yung additional na iaambag po ni owner sa kanyang negosyo. So what is the effect also? There is a tendency na tataas po ang assets. There is a tendency na bababa po ang liabilities in the form of increases in assets or decreases in liabilities. How do we define expenses? Are decreases in economic benefits during the period in the form of decreases in assets or increases in liabilities that result in decreases in equity excluding those relating to distributions to the business owners. So, ang effect po niya sa equity bababa po except for, sabi po niya, excluding yung withdrawals ng mga business owners. So, ang effect po niya sa assets, bababa. There's a tendency, tataas naman po ang liabilities. The difference between income and expenses represents profit or loss. Kapag mas mataas po ang income, that is a profit. Kapag mas mataas ang expenses kaysa sa income, that is a loss po. Applications of the accounting. If total assets is 10,000 and total liabilities is 6,000, how much is the total equity? So what is your answer for this question? Can you comment down your answer below for number one? Then for number two, if total liabilities is 5,000 and total equity is 4,000, how much is the total assets? Can you comment down also your answer for number two? For number three, if total assets is 10,000 and total equity is 3,000, how much is the total liabilities? Kindly comment down also your answer po for number three. If total income is 10,000 and total expenses are 3,000, how much is the profit or loss? Kindly comment down also your answer po for number four. And for number five, if total income is 10,000, total expenses are 8,000, total liabilities is 7,000, and total equity before profit or loss is 6,000, how much is the total assets? Kindly comment down also your answer for number five. So I will check all your comments from the comment section related to these applications of the theories related to accounting equations. So I hope you've learned something about our lesson for this day. So after that, I will send you an activities for you to answer. Then afterwards, I will give you the correct answers. So that ends our lesson for this day. I hope that you learned something about our lesson for this day. Thank you and God bless.